Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable geofencing comfort settings with Google Nest, beginner guide step by step clearly. To enable geofencing comfort settings with Google Nest, begin by opening the Google Home app on your smartphone. Ensure you are logged into the account associated with your Google Nest device. Tap on the home icon located at the bottom of the screen. Select the specific room or device where your Google Nest is placed. Tap on the settings gear icon in the top right corner. Scroll down to find the location option, then tap on it. Ensure that location services are enabled on your smartphone. If prompted, give the Google Home app permission to access your location. Once location services are enabled, return to the Google Home app. Now find the comfort settings option within the device settings. Toggle the geofencing option to enable it. You can then set the distance parameters for your geofence. Decide what temperature settings you want to apply when you are home. Select the desired temperature adjustment for when you are away. Confirm your settings and exit the menu. Now your geofencing comfort settings are activated. The Google Nest will automatically adjust your preferences based on your location. Monitor your comfort settings from the Google Home app as needed. Enjoy the energy savings and enhanced comfort level in your home. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.